Water that goes down the drain in Cedar Rapids area homes, businesses, industries ends up here, the city's water pollution control facility. And now the treatment plant is getting some upgrades. The $350 million wastewater treatment plant project is now underway. It'll take years to complete. Today, KCRG-TV9's Lacey Reeves takes a closer look at the process it takes to turn tens of millions of gallons of wastewater each day into safe water that's returned into the environment.
The main goal of the wastewater treatment plant is to take as much water as it can, clean it, and put it back into the Cedar River. And I got a look inside the process. I followed Cedar Rapids Utilities Director Roy Hessman, who managed the treatment plant for 12 years. When wastewater arrives at this plant, it first goes through a screening process.
It's a large screen that takes any bigger materials, may take rags, that type of thing, out of the wastewater.
Next, the wastewater goes into basins, where silts and other materials can be removed.
And then any oils, fats, and greases generally will float to the surface, and we pull those off the surface, and then we incinerate all that material.
Then the solid wastewater goes through multiple processes where as much water is squeezed out of it as possible so it can be treated.
So we're always trying to separate the solids from the liquids so that the liquids can go off to the river, and then we can incinerate the solids and dispose of the solids here internally.
Finally, the cleaned water makes its way into the Cedar River, while the leftover solids are formed into a cake-like material that can be used for land application or is burned in the 1500-degree incinerator. The wastewater treatment plant improvement project will replace equipment that is worn down since it was installed in 1980. The work is expected to be completed sometime in 2029. Reporting in Cedar Rapids, Lacey Reeves, KCRG-TV9 News.